Miss Banks, learning how to grab. 4 months, April 14. 4 months siya kahapon, guys. Miss Banks, learning how to grab. Na-amaze pa siya. Amazing. She's learning how to grab. Hold it tightly. Hold it tightly. Come on. Biggie. Sorry. You have hiccups? Don't put it on your mouth. Kuya needs to prepare for school. Hi guys, I woke up 3 a.m. Then after that, hindi na ako nakatulog. Guys. Tapos later, Anya is scheduled for vaccine. Laban lang. Everyday, laban lang, guys. Importante ang education, technique, and Anya needs to learn how to grab this toy. Daddy is sleeping, hindi rin nakatulog kasi naglalaro, kaya hindi niya na naman makatid si Anya ay si Link. Hindi niya mayahatid sa school. Kapagod, guys, pero it's okay. Oh, she's learning how to grab na. Wow, very good. Very good, Anya. I'm so proud of you, baby. I'm so proud of you. Miss Banks. Ang kinupitan ni Daddy. Pag-uwi ko, nakagupit na siya. Inutusan na ako ni daddy sa labas pag uwi ko. Ganyan na siya. Rock, paper, scissor, stone.